Mastering the Backstroke Technique. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the swimming pool of language to understand a specific phrase used in sports, backstroke technique. Whether you're a swimming enthusiast or just curious about different sports terminologies, this video will clarify what this term means and why it's important in the world of swimming. So, let's get started and make a splash in learning something new today. Backstroke is one of the 4 swimming strokes and is unique because it is the only one performed on the back. This stroke is characterized by an alternating arm movement and a flutter kick, with swimmers facing upwards. It's essential in competitions and for overall swimming proficiency. When we talk about the technique in swimming, we refer to the specific method or way of performing the stroke to be efficient, fast, and safe. For the backstroke, this includes several key components such as the body position, arm movement, leg kick, and breathing. Mastering the technique is crucial for swimmers to move through the water effectively. Body position. The body should be straight and horizontal, lying on the surface of the water. This reduces drag and allows for smoother movement. Arm movement. Arms move in a windmill motion, alternating between the arm that pulls underwater and the other that recovers above water. This continuous motion propels the swimmer forward. Leg kick. The flutter kick involves small, rapid kicks from the hips, with straight legs and pointed toes. It helps to maintain balance and contributes to the swimmer's speed. Breathing. Breathing in backstroke is easier than in other strokes because the face is out of the water. Swimmers should breathe naturally, coordinating their breaths with their strokes for maximum efficiency. Mastering the backstroke technique is not just about moving your arms and legs. It's about doing so in a way that is coordinated, efficient, and harmonious. Whether you're swimming for competition or as a recreational activity, understanding and applying the correct technique can greatly enhance your experience in the water. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what backstroke technique means and how it applies to swimming. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll see improvements in no time. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.